Want to learn how to reverse tie-dye using bleach? I'm going to show you how to transform this black set into a matching tie-dye set in a few easy steps. Stick around till the end to see this set in its final form. Let's begin. You're going to need your clothes of choice, a spray bottle, rubber bands, I have 10, a pair of gloves, a bucket, and bleach. First, pre-soak your fabrics. This is going to help the bleach absorb better into your clothes. I'm fully soaking my t-shirt under cold water, then wringing out the excess water so the shirt is damp. Fun fact, I sized up for the shirt and got a medium, so it would have a looser fit that I could also tie into a crop top. Then I'm repeating the same process with the biker shorts. Pro tip, use fabrics made with 100% cotton for the best results. Full disclosure, these shorts have 10% spandex, but I mean, it's fine. I need some stretch, you know, especially after eating an entire pizza in these COVID days. The COVID-15. Next, dilute your bleach. You want a mixture of half bleach and half water. I'm filling up my spray bottle with 8 ounces of bleach and 8 ounces of water. There's no rhyme or reason why I picked 8 ounces, it just seemed like a nice even number. Honestly, I ended up having a lot left over, so you can totally use less. Once I finished filling it up, I also gave it a nice little shake to make sure that everything was mixed up. I didn't include this on camera, but I just wanted to let you know. On to the fun part. Time to scrunch and die. I'm using the crumple technique because it's going to create an organic splattered sort of effect. It's also super easy and beginner friendly. You literally cannot mess this up since there is no right or wrong way. I'm starting by scrunching up the fabric from each bottom corner of the shirt and working my way up towards the center. From there, I'm scrunching down the top half of the shirt in toward the center to create this beautiful crumply pile of a shirt. Now I'm securing the fabric in place with rubber band. I probably could have gotten away with 4 rubber bands, but I used 5 to ensure the fabric stayed in place. If you have any additional tie-dye tips, definitely share them in the comments below. I'm sure everybody could learn from each other. And if you're finding this crumple technique demonstration helpful, give me a thumbs up to let me know. And this is what it should look like. For the shorts, I'm also starting from the bottom and scrunching up each side halfway. You can see I'm redoing the scrunch on this side. Something about the way it was folding felt off to me, so I wanted to start over. The best advice I can give you for this technique is to trust your instincts. If it feels off, redo it until it feels right. I'm tying up each clump with a rubber band. Don't worry if it feels a bit loose. We're gonna tie up the rest in a sec to make it secure. I'm scrunching the top half of the shorts towards the center and tying this as well. From here, clump the 3 sections together to unite them into one clump and wrap it with some rubber bands. I used 5 bands in total for the shorts as well. Started from the bottom, now we here. Now it's time to spray. I'm using my bucket to place my shirts inside of them and spray inside, so that way we have more of a controlled environment and it's not making a mess all over the place. Now, if you don't have a bucket, you could also lay out some newspaper or a plastic bag or whatever sort of surface you have that you don't mind getting bleach onto and just destroyed, you know? So feel free to do that. And also I'm doing this outside in a well-ventilated area. I would highly suggest doing this outside as opposed to inside if you can, because those fumes can be quite strong and not the best to breathe in. Once you're done spraying this top part of your clothes, flip them around, spray the sides, and then also turn them to get the back sides as well. You also want to press into the shirt to make sure that the bleach trickles down that fabric and goes into those folds. I mean, you can skip that if you want to, but that's a way to make sure that you're getting more of that bleach onto the shirt. You can spray as little or as much as you want, but once you're done, let it sit for 10 minutes. Here's a little time lapse of what my fabrics look like during this process. You can see them beginning to lighten and the bleach just taking out that black dye. Once 10 minutes have passed, soak them to get all of that bleach out. You can see that as I'm doing this, the water begins to have this murky brown color, and that is the bleach coming out and like the excess dye. I'm soaking up both of these items, and once I have enough water in there, I'm going to take out the rubber bands. And then after that, just give both of them a nice wring so that you can get as much of that dye out as possible. This was a little bit tricky because my gloves kept falling down, so in case you run into this issue as well, just know you are not alone. It is a little bit tricky, not gonna lie. I'm gonna do this one more time. You basically want to do this until the water runs clear, but since this was so tricky with the gloves, I was like, you know what, twice is fine. Let's just throw this into the wash afterwards, and that is what I did. So I just dumped out the water into the drain, and then we're gonna take this into the laundry. So what you could do is either just wash this outside and let it dry, or you could put it into your washing machine, which is what I did. So if you're gonna go down this route, add your detergent, just a little bit, that's all you need, and wash it on the cold wash setting, toss it in the dryer, and then you're done. My soul wanted to look like Urban Outfitters, but my wallet did not, so here we are. As I mentioned, I did size up so I could do exactly this, turn it into a little crop top moment, and I think it looks so cute. But just wait, look at how much even more amazing it looks in the sunlight. You guys, this is so easy and quick and such a fun little DIY project, so definitely try it out, share this with a friend, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!